Hi everybody, welcome to DRD allotments. Not the best of days today, it's a little bit cloudy, but it is warm, so we can get this off soon. Today, right, first thing I've been doing, I'm going to be doing is going around the beds, doing some hoeing, keeping the weeds at bay. So there's that to do. Got a few beds to go around, so we'll get that done. Then I need to get in the polytunnel and water the cucumbers because they need watering, and there's some tomatoes in pots that need watering and they're going to go into the ground soon. So we'll move on then to the other greenhouse, and I've got more tomatoes to water. I will get them watered as well. Some marigolds next to them, so they'll be watered as well, and anything that's in that greenhouse that needs watering. So, and then we'll move on to some other jobs. So back in a tick. Right, we'll move this along. We'll get this. Take a nice hole, put some feed in, knock the plant out of its pot, in we'll go, firm it down, next one, pot out the way, nice hole. I'm going to have to give this really good watering. In she goes. Bring the soil around, firm it down. Same two doing. And our last one. A bit feed. Turn the pot over, get it in. That's that done. So that's them. So I'm going to get some marigolds and I'm going to put them along the front. So I'll go and sort them out, and then I'll give you an idea how I'm going to hang them when they start growing. So be back in a tick. Okay, so I've got some marigolds. This is where I need rubber. I think it's dead hard to get down. So now what these do is this supposed to protect the tomato plants from pests. So I'm just going to put hope I've got enough so far apart. Plant them in. Move this along. I'll probably be coming out of camera shot in a minute. But you can see what I'm doing. Just putting them in the soil, down, putting some soil around them. So I've probably moved out the camera shot doing them now, so I'll do them off camera in a minute. But before we do that, I'll just tilt the camera up a bit. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Okay, when it comes to them growing up, I've got these. So I'm hoping you can see. Now I'll go over here so you should get it. So I'm going to put some hooks on there. You'll hang them on, they'll go down, they'll tie around the, well, you get clips put around the bottom of the plant, then you can wrap the plant up. It's going along. So that's how I'm going to be doing my tomatoes in here. So got a few of these different colours, so they're handy. So I'll put that there. I'll get the rest of these marigolds in and catch you soon. As you can see, that's them in. The camera across. So the marigolds and them in. The rest of the marigolds I think I'll put in amongst these. I'm going to give this bed a bit of a weeding first, because a few weeds growing there. Get the pots and everything tidy away. And that's me tomatoes in. So we'll see what we've got to do next. Hi, another day down allotment. Just carrying on from yesterday, and I'll give you a rough idea what we've been doing. So cleared all the weeds out of there. Them flowers are growing okay. Come along here. I've been putting some new labels in, so you can see the labels. You've seen us do this in the greenhouse, but I've just getting a chilli, so there's a chilli over there. Just put that in now. Rob's weeding here, getting the weeds out from in between the peas. We're going to lift this so that can be weeded, and Rob's we're going to lift the mesh off this, weed this, and then over here we've got sunflowers to put in. So I'm going to get the spade out and I'm going to start clearing between the polytunnel and where Rob is. Weed that. So
I get paid on them, they get paid on them now.
Show you back soon, so show you some of the work we're doing later. Hi everybody. Right, today what we've done, we've actually put some flowers in here, just put some lupins in here. We've put a new cover over there, tidied all this up. That's going to get dug over next time we're down. Tied that up, tidied the strawberries up. There's some strawberries starting to grow over now. Then put a new cover on that. That bed's going to get dug over. They're growing well. Stuff's waiting to grow in there. Stuff's growing in there, growing fantastic. If you look at the greenhouse, quick look at the greenhouse, I've just given it a water, so nice, and that's nicely done. So that's it for this week. So catch you next week. Hopefully I'll be down next week. Yep. And so I'll do a video on next week. So DRD signing off. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. So bye for now.
Down the DRD allotment, grafting in the sun, seeds in the soil and the growing's just begun. Greenhouse warm and the bed's all neat. Nothing beats fresh veg you've grown to eat. Dig it, plant it, watch it grow. Bit graft a day, harvest tomorrow. Like, subscribe before ye gan. DRD allotments, see you next